Hey everyone, Dennis here, and today I'm excited to demonstrate our groundbreaking feature, PhotoChat, that also happens to be my favorite feature of ours. PhotoChat brings together two features that families love: photos and video calls. With PhotoChat, you are now able to look at photos together while on a video call, and you'll guide your senior loved one through these photos. This makes it easy to relive cherished memories or to tell stories behind your latest photos. In addition to looking at photos together, you can also upload important documents to review, or maybe you want to scan some of the grandkids' new art projects that they want to show off. With that being said, let's get started. Starting a photo chat session can be done in 3 easy steps. Step number 1 is to log into the ViewClix's.com member portal. You can do this by clicking the Members button in the top right-hand corner, or you can navigate there direct using the URL viewclix.com/members. Once you're logged in, you'll see your feature icons. You'll notice I have a few more icons, and this is because I'm a frame organizer. To select your photos for the photo chat session, you'll click the photo chat icon. Once you select the photo chat icon, you'll start step number 2, which is to select your photos you'd like to be displayed during the photo chat session. Photos are displayed left to right, top to bottom. So if you need a photo to be displayed earlier in the photo chat session, simply click the rearrange button to turn this on. Select the photo you'd like to move and drag it into its position. Once you're happy with the position, select the rearrange button to turn that off. Now, you'll select your photos that you'd like to be displayed during the session. And we have 2 options. The first is our bulk select option. You'll click in the blue area and drag your mouse or finger to select your photos using our lasso tool. You can also individually select photos by clicking a photo. If you'd like to unselect a photo, click a photo and you'll see the yellow box is removed. If you need to unselect bulk photos, use our clear selection button in the top right-hand corner. I'm going to show you our bulk select lasso tool one more time. Click inside the blue box, drag your mouse, and let go. Once you have your photos selected, you're ready for step number 3, which is to start your photo chat session. To start the photo chat session, you'll click the Start Chat Session in the top right-hand corner, right here. Once you've started your session, you'll notice you'll see yourself in the bottom right-hand corner, and you'll see your senior in the top left-hand corner. At the bottom of your page, you'll see arrows. These are the arrows that you'll use to navigate through the photos for your senior. It's entirely hands-off for them. They just get to enjoy it. Click the right arrow to start cycling through the photos. If you need to go back, click the left arrow. You can use these arrows to go back and forth through your photos. And once you're done talking and conversing about your photos, you can end the chat session by clicking the End Chat button in the top right-hand corner. This will end the chat for the frame, and it will send the frame back to the slideshow of photos. It will send you back to the member portal. And there you have it, straightforward and easy to use. PhotoChat helps you build a meaningful connection with your senior. Whether reminiscing about past memories or looking at your latest vacation photos, PhotoChat is sure to bring happiness to your senior's life. Visit our website, ViewClix's.com, and order your ViewClix smart frame today. Till next time, take care and have a great day.